करू द्या. मुनीर मिर्झा, चीफ correspondent from PTS channel, with my colleague Parvinder Sahni has just come to the Pune race course that the season is going to start, the new season. I'm wishing all the best to the racing public and owners and all and committee members. First of all, my small request is there, you must take immediately Xerox copy of the timekeepers. Some funda is going on in the morning track walk. Certain timekeepers have given instruction before in a day that early morning my horses are going to work. But suddenly when you see the race card, that the horses are not been shown in the track walk, and suddenly the horse comes and wins. And when there is an explanation, nahi ghoda aake jeet gaya, kuch malum nahi sir. Ye sagda, it is all fraud, corrupt things are going on from the morning track walk starts. There are certain people are involved with the illegal bookmakers. They give the information. And secondly, I want to ask one thing to Government of India. You are saying that the BTF is paid directly to the trainers. And what is the accounts? Who is paying the money? It's not been shown officially in the trainers list. The club will be held responsible. It is a request. Whoever is taking BTF, he is not showing in his accounts. And who is paying the money? It is better the club, before they come in any problem, the BTF should be collected by the RWITC, not by the trainers. Now you have to see some owners, if you check their bank accounts, certain people have requested us, their account is nil. All this horse, BTF is paid by illegal bookmakers. I might be wrong somewhere, but it's been proved. Any company who runs, they have to collect the money and then hand over the GST, government taxes to the Government of India. Not the trainer is taking. Cash liya, there is no transaction of cash because this company is running crores of rupees. My humble request to Government of India, how you are pulling out money, GST and everything for the poor public, from business people and all, industries. Why this industry has been left? That they are giving take to directly do BTF tumhara basic trading fee to trainer. No, there is no law of the Government of India. The Finance Ministry should take personal interest to raid this place. Lot of illegal things are happening in RWTC. Secondly, there are few timekeepers. The moment the race gets over, they start talking against the officials. The official, he's got no brain, he doesn't know what is the racing. And second day after the racing, again on the stand, illegal people are coming there, mafia connection people, and the gossip goes on that this official does not know racing A to Z. My humble request, and on the gates, we used to collect the mobile money. Now only mobile number is written there. Why the names are not written? Because at least the club will come to know, the government will come to know who's the person buying this mobile. His name and address is not there. Suddenly this present committee XYZ says, the chairman has said, "Kali number likho." Arey no baba, tomorrow some our terrorist enters here and he does anything, how will you find his mobile? I request ex-jockeys also, some are using mobiles. Please ban them if they are coming free inside. My humble request to you more, the officials must take personal interest to finish this corruption, and they should take immediately after the track walk, the Xerox of the track walk. Then you will come to know which horses have been winning. They are not shown in the track walk. The racing will be much genuine. My humble request once more, the club members should be ready to have a new chairman, Zaver S. Poonawalla. Then only our racing corruption will finish. See, in Bangalore what had happened, there was no sponsorer. The Bangalore club had to request Zaver Poonawalla, please sponsor our Indian Bangalore Derby. The same thing, if you want good racing and bringing the old golden days back, you have Zaver Poonawalla as a chairman and his team. Munir Mirza, Chief Correspondent PTS Channel, with Surinder Sahni, Senior Correspondent PTS Channel, Pune.